Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to increase the limit of applications per one row on your Galaxy Z Fold 8 or Z Fold Ultra. So, by default, we have the limit of up to 4 different applications per one row, and we cannot change it using the system settings of this smartphone, but we can still customize this feature using an additional application which is called GoodLock and its module which is called HomeUp. And first of all, we're gonna have to install this GoodLock on the phone, which we can do by going to the Samsung store and searching for GoodLock right here. Once you find this application, install it on your phone and then open it. Okay, on the main page of the app we'll see the list of modules. Now we have to look for the HomeUp module, and if you don't have it installed, also click download next to it and then wait until this feature is installed on your phone and then open it. Okay, now let's try it. Let's enable HomeUp, and now we're gonna have to go to the home screen and here choose HomeScreen Grid. And now if you want to place 5 applications in a row, you can select 5 or more, up to 7 different apps in one row. And now, as you can see, we can place 7 different applications in one row of apps of our home screen. Of course, if you want only 5, you can increase the first value on the scroll wheel to 5 and then easily place 5 different apps on your device's home screen. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.